Today we're going to be making a photo grid. We're going to start with a piece of cardboard and add a 1 inch by 1 inch grid. It's going to be about 10 inches and just filling it in with the lines. We're going to use this a couple of times. So it's 1 inch by 1 inch, and I'm going to put a page protector over top and tape it down and then make those lines on that. And I can put any photo or worksheet I want inside that page protector. Now the second part, I'm going to make a cover and I'm going to tape it down. It's just a transparency for printers, and I can put anything underneath of it, but I'm going to use it in my notebook. I'm going to tape it down so it doesn't slide all over. And then I can add my page and look at my original and then trace it onto my new notebook page. I can also use this transparency underneath my printer paper and copy paper to copy from my photo grid from the page protector.